All right, so I'm about to switch out the old steel rollers. Might be a little difficult to see, but this is what they all are. This is what it sounds like. Listen to the rumbling noise. Makes the door sound heavy and not as smooth as it can be. You're about to replace it. Replace all of them with these bad boys. 13 ball bearings, and they're sealed. Sealed on both sides. This will help you protect yourself against the elements. All right, these are the new rollers.
I'm not rushing you, but how much longer do you have?
I think I'm just about done.
Hey, this could be an Emmy moment. Emmy award goes to.
All right, so
Okay.
can I point this at you?
Sure.
That's cool? Okay.
Yeah.
So, this is little Sharita. Hi.
Hi.
So, tell Buster's Garage Door and the rest of the people if you hear a difference between these old wheels and the new ones that are in it.
Wow. Wow. You can barely hear it. I hear it from like all the way inside the house before. Yes.
All right, so with the garage door opener, new springs, a tune-up, and the nylon rollers. Let me know what you think.
Wow. I didn't even know if you get that quiet, that smooth. Me either.
Sorry. That's awesome.
That's awesome. Yeah. Wow. That made a difference.
Thank you very much.
I like it. I do.
All right. Oh, hell yeah.